Hi, it's Brett from Jim's Pool Care here, and alongside me is Adrian, and today we're going to be doing a little unboxing of the Dolphin Active X6 by Maytronics. This is one of their top of the range robotic pool cleaners. They've become very popular over the last 5 to 7 years, the robotics, and this particular model takes robotic cleaning to the next level. So come with us as we unbox this beautiful robot. Okay, that didn't take long. So what we have here is the complete kit that you get when you get your Active X6 robot from Maytronics. One of the new improved features is the controller. So this controller comes with an app, and it's controlled via Wi-Fi. So it's a real simple one-touch button, but the majority of the controlling is done from the phone and the app, which we can talk about later or even show you. Comes with a 18-metre cable, which is important for those larger pools, and for the smaller pools you just don't feed as much cable in. And the other great feature, which is often sought after when purchasing a robot, is what's called a swivel cable. So this swivel cable enables the robot to spin both left and right, and ultimately minimise any tangling of the cable. We still encourage all customers to take the robot out of the pool on a regular basis and unwind the cable, but that swivel definitely helps. This particular model comes with a Caddy, so we'll build that a little bit later. Comes in, you've got a couple of wheels and an upright stand. And the beauty of a Caddy, it gives you somewhere to place the robot when not in use. So depending on the size of your pool and how much leaf matter you have around the pool, you might be putting the robot in once a week, and when it's finished its cycle, normally around 90 minutes, you can then take it and park the robot when you're not using it. If you are looking at storing your robot by the pool side, then quite often we recommend to either buy a robot with a Caddy or upgrade to a Caddy. So besides being a beautiful looking robot, this robot comes with a dual filtration. So what that means is you've got the exterior of the main canister, and then you've got another fine filtration that slots just inside that. That's very handy for picking up the finer particles. As you can see, very easy to open and close, easy to take out, and then when cleaning it's just a matter of unclipping the bottom and hosing that out. So I really like that, it's quite handy, isn't it?
Very good.
Yeah, very good. Do you find there's a need for the fine filter, Adrian?
Yeah, I think so. I think the dual filtration is good. I like the coarse to pick up the coarser matter. Then you've got the the smaller micron pleated filter on the outside. Works well, picks up the dust, fine dust and all sorts.
Okay, and if you are getting one of the other models in the range that doesn't come with the fine filtration, you can just ask your Jim's Pool Care technician if you can upgrade, and it's a small charge to get the additional filters. So looking at that, the other thing it's got is what's called a dual drive. So it pushes water from the top and out the sides, and that enables this unit to actually work its way along the walls. So it can actually do the floor, the walls, and what's called water line, and it will work its way around the pool over the course of a cycle and do all that.
Actually, the other good feature too, Larry, is the side handle. It's got extra side handles and back handles, which makes it a bit easier to pull out of the pool. Yes.
So Adrian's one of our leading technicians in Australia, and he's just noticed that point. So usually they come with one handle. Because it is a larger unit, obviously that's going to make it quite handy as well. It is worth noting they come with what's called a self-drain. So as you go to pull the robot out of the pool, you just pause for a second. The majority of the water will drain from it without taking the debris back to the pool, and it just makes it a little bit lighter to pick it up. On first look at it, we've been in the pool industry a long time. I like the look of this unit. So I guess the next step is to put it in the pool and see how it goes. Okay, so overall we're pretty impressed with the Maytronics Dolphin Active X6. It's an impressive unit. It's only been in the pool a very short time. It's already done a lot of hard work. Some key things to remember with it though, when you're unboxing it, make sure you follow those instructions about connecting the controller. That app is impressive. It's got both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. You can control the length of the cycles in there as well, and you can ad hoc turn it on and off as required. The basket's a very large basket and takes a lot of leaf matter, but still make sure you check that every cycle or two to make sure that it's I guess working effectively. But overall we recommend it. If you want a demo on it, then give one of our team a call. In most locations we're able to offer you a free on-site demonstration. We've got a range of models. If this one's not for you, we've got a range of great models that we'd be happy to discuss with you. And anything else, Adrian?
No, it's the same again, Larry. It's I love the robot. Easy to use, does a great job. It's cleaned this pool up in 25-30 minutes. Just got done the whole pool, so it's very good. Highly recommended. But
yeah, if you need any further assistance, please reach out to any of our gym's pool care technicians. They're all very friendly. Call them on 131 546 and we'd be happy to help. All the best.